Paano ba gumawa ng magandang YouTube thumbnail para magkaroon ka ng maraming views kahit na wala kang masyadong alam sa Photoshop or any graphic design? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your custom thumbnail with a quick and easy tutorial. Coming up. Try natin mo. Hey guys! Welcome here to my channel, Josh Maderse, #MadStory, where I share tutorial reviews, tips, and I also share side hustle and lifestyle vlog here on social media. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribe and click mo na rin yung notification bell para palagi kang updated pag may mga bago tayong uploads. As you know, custom thumbnail ay isa sa mga importanteng bagay para magkaroon ka ng maraming views on your video and magkaroon ka ng success dito sa YouTube. Pero isa rin ito isa sa mahirap gawin if you don't know how to do Photoshop and any graphic design. Kaya let's go ahead and jump for some quick and easy step-by-step tutorial. Pero bago ang lahat, pag-uusapan muna natin kung paano ka makakapag-screenshot gamit ang iyong desktop or laptop. And one of the best to take a separate photo is using your smartphone. Bago tayo magsimula, let's take a picture na gagamitin natin. Okay guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa aking computer and this is one of the software na pwede nyong gamitin. It's a free software which is the canva.com. Marami ka rin dito pwedeng gawin. You can do the poster, parang pang Facebook post mo, business card, or blog banner, Facebook cover, pwede ka rin gumawa ng logo dito. But, what are we going to do? Ang pipiliin natin dito is your thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. And, nakuha tayo na this is one of the screenshot na kukuha natin. You can do screenshot actually for your... So, this is one of my footage guys sa isang video na recent video na ginawa ko. So if you are using a MacBook or Apple products, you're using Mac or iMac or using MacBook laptop, all you just need to do to take a screenshot is press Command plus Shift and then hold together tapos press mo yung number 4. Yan. You will see there. And then, i-drag mo lang for screenshot. Yan, ganun lang kadali guys. And if you're using a Windows desktop naman, you can use the snipping tools to take a screenshot para pwede mo rin siyang ma-edit if you're using Windows. So, since meron na tayong screenshot, let's go back. And all you have to do is to upload. And this is one of my pictures kanina. Upload natin yan. And another one, screenshot natin, this one. So, let's try this. Yan. Yung kinuha natin kanina through my phone. And all you have to do is align mo together. Okay. And you can adjust the color. So, what I can suggest, gawin mo siyang parang siya sharp. Gawin natin sharp. And the color, itim ko dito. Pero guys, may itim naman talaga ako. Moreno. So, adjust. You can adjust. Contrast, saturation. Okay, that's good. And for the text, ang kagandahan ng Canva guys for the text is drag and drop pa lang. Just click that. All you have to do is yan. And then click mo. Alagay mo dito ang title. YouTube thumbnail. So you can change the font like that. And every time I do some thumbnail guys, gumagawa ko ng YouTube thumbnail, ilalagay ko siya ng mga objects para mas lalo siyang makita. So you can choose here sa elements. Marami kang pwedeng gawin dito guys. It's a free app only. Pero if you want to Lagay natin siya sa likod. Okay, that's good. I think we're going to make it you can this is your thumbnail, guys. You can do your thumbnail, and all you just need to do is to download it. I don't know lang ako meron ito sa app. Hindi ko pa siya kasi na-try kasi I always do this sa laptop and to my desktop. So you can add new if gusto nyo pang gumawa ng isa. You can take that and change the other one, this one. Okay, you can change the color, make it sharp. Okay, then put the text. Useful apps 2009. Just try to make it guys, art or be artistic kung gagawa kayo ng YouTube thumbnail and add some elements on it kasi mas maganda pag may elements talaga guys, bubasa ng maayos yung nakasulat sa content. Dito guys, apps. Gusto nyo lagyan ng mga konting mga style. Ayan, pwede nyo lagay dito. Okay, so yan, that's it guys. Ayun na nagustuhan nyo yung tutorial natin today. It's a free platform. It's up to you kung gusto mong mag-upgrade. May mga feature siya na pwede mong gawin kung gusto mong mag-upgrade sa ganitong classic application. So that's it guys. Thank you very much and let's go back.
So bago ka umalis, gusto kong malaman mo na ang custom thumbnail ay isa sa mga bagay na siguradong makakatulong sa'yo para magkaroon ka ng maraming views. And isa rin ito sa mga bagay or isa sa mga recipe para magkaroon ka ng success dito sa YouTube. At marami ka pang pwedeng malaman about other YouTube success tips at ganoon din ako. Kaya I want you to be updated kasi yan yung isa sa mga i-share ko dito sa channel nito. Let's learn and grow together. And yes, you are now ready to create your own quick and easy custom thumbnail. But remember, try to make some post para mas maganda yung kuha. Pag kumukuha ka ng photo for your YouTube thumbnail, then use a free software like canva.com. Question of the day, at pumili ka lang sa dalawa. Ano yung mga video ginagawa mo or content ang sinishare mo dito sa YouTube na ginagawan mo ng custom thumbnail? Or what are the other free software you are using to make your own custom thumbnail? Please share it in the comment section. I love to read all of your comments and have a conversation to you guys. And para malaman din ng mga sir and ma'am na natin na nagsisimula dito sa YouTube. And if you appreciate this video, please don't forget to smash and click the notification bell para you get updated sa mga bago nating videos. And don't forget to like and share this video para malaman din ng ibang nagsisimula dito sa YouTube. Once again guys, thank you very much for watching and see you on my next video. Peace out.